My name is Gonçalo, I'm a filmmaker, and welcome to the series in which I try to fix up the car that's been parked in my driveway for way too long.
Would you stop your guns if I had you on my side? Come and seal your fate till the end of my desire.
So this is the second episode of this series. If you haven't seen the first one, I totally recommend that you do, so that you know what the fuck I'm talking about. As I was looking through the car, I started noticing that some of the parts that I treated rust were sort of like becoming rusty again. I was kind of a dumbass when I painted it because I didn't put any rust product or whatever. I just literally spray painted over it, which is, I know, don't make fun of me.
I'll go to hell for you if you want me to. It burns like poison rain, and we're stuck on a moving train.
So basically I just took all of those parts off, I sanded them pretty well. And then, as I go to apply the product, guess what? It's red! It's fucking red, and I didn't even check it. It's in the can, it's red, and I didn't check it. So basically I had to go and buy more silver paint to paint over it, because I don't want my fucking car with red parts, for fuck's sake. Then, at last, my insulation arrived, and it's pretty thin, which I thought that was kind of weird. But, I mean, if they say it works, I'm gonna trust them, because they know probably more than I do. So I was quite scared about the size of it, because it didn't seem like enough, and it was expensive as fuck. But, in the end, it kind of worked out. I got the whole cabin, like, covered in it, and I don't know if it does a good job. I mean, is there really a way of me telling that? I don't think so. But it looks pretty nice, so I'm happy with that. I was a bit worried about the carpet because I didn't really check if it belonged to a car with the wheel on the right side or the left side. So that would probably give me a shit ton of a headache. But after laying it out and putting it in the car and changing it up because I put it in the wrong way, I actually figured out that I got lucky. I got really lucky, and it totally fits and it's perfect, even though that the insulation is really thin, way thinner than the one that it had before. But I'm really happy with the result.